Speed ramp like a pro in After Effects. New composition, 24 frames a second. Okay. Drag and drop my boxing clip on the timeline. And it's important that this is a 60 frames a second clip. I'm going to right click, go time stretch, 50. This is so the clip plays back at normal speed. I'm going to trim it 2 seconds. And what I'm going to do is right click and go enable time remapping. Make a mark where he swings for the punch and where he finishes the punch. And I can keyframe again here. And then it's important that we go to the end and make a keyframe, because what we're going to do is elongate this punch section here, but we need to move everything afterwards so this stays in sync. Now we have our slowed down moments like this. But just to make it a bit more impactful, I'm going to highlight the keyframes. I'm going to right click, go to keyframe interpolation, go Bezier, and highlight the keyframes, go into the speed graph editor, and then make them fast, slow with these velocity arms here. And it just adds a bit of extra impact. We can also apply motion blur, which helps just blend some of the frames together to give a bit of more of that smooth, high impact effect. Right click, pre-compose when the punch finishes. I'm going to zoom in a bit here. And then I'm going to copy and paste that first keyframe just a few frames after, so it does a bit of a screen hit like this. We can highlight those keyframes and find another high impact moment in Command V. Voila, you've done it.